캐나다. 숲이 대지의 대부분을 차지하는 온타리오주. 그 숲속 더 깊은 곳, 인적 없는 나무들 사이에 작은 집이 있습니다.
Hello, very nice to meet you all. Hello. Just coming from the back door.
Hi.
Hello.
Really thought she'd bump into you outside, but hello, hi. Would you like to come in? Okay, it's a bit rainy outside, so let's get you in. So come on in.
이 가족이 만들어가는 조금은 동화 같은 이야기. 지금부터 시작합니다. 숲속의 집에는 브라이스와 미스티 부부, 그리고 사랑스러운 두 딸이 살고 있습니다.
Good morning, girls. Oh. Good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Hey, Sagey Wakey. Good morning. Do you have good sleeping?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Good dreams?
Mm-hmm.
Wonderful.
Actually, sort of in between.
In between? Yeah? Okay. You ready to get up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the potty. CG, you two. Wakey, wakey. Library.
No.
No?
I think she wants this one. No.
You coming, CG? You're gonna stay tucked in.
오로라는 기운찬 하루를 시작할 준비가 됐네요.
Okay.
Here we go.
Families.
Wishes. Love you guys. You're the best. It's a great tradition to start the day off, so I think it's a really nice way to greet the day.
숲의 아침은 이렇게 시작됩니다. 우선 함께 지내는 동물들을 돌봐야 합니다. 밤사이 별일은 없었는지 살펴야죠.
This one is Little Freddie. That's Sir Frolic the Benevolent, or Frolly, he's the bull. That one's Rosie, she's the youngest. And that one's Minnie Moo, or Midnight Runner. She's the mama, she gives us milk.
하루에 2번 소들을 위한 특별식을 만드는데요.
It's just hay that's chopped up, like high protein hay that's chopped, but they like it because it's just something special. So it's like cookies for them. Okay, Mama, it's your turn. Come on. I know it's milk time.
신선한 우유를 얻기 위한 준비입니다. 특별식을 받으면 미니무는 어느 때보다도 기분 좋은 상태에서 젖을 내어줍니다.
Good stuff today. I'm just squeezing her udders and pulling the milk out. So it's a simple technique. You have to do it like sort of like you're squeezing. I guess I should do it with that hand, like you're squeezing down like this. But essentially, just give her a little bump, and then you squeeze it down. So as long as she's calm and smooth, the milk flows. And if she's stressed, the milk won't even come down. It'll stay up in the teats. So her calf has already drank almost everything from this side. So I'm basically just milking the one side off today, because we're sharing.
Ooga, 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 chaka, ooga, 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 chaka, ooga, ooga. I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. I'm high on believing that you're.
브라이스와 미니무가 좋은 시간을 보내는 동안
Mama.
오로라와 세이지도 할 일이 있습니다.
Daniel, go to high.
어디로 가는 걸까요?
Go to the horse. I reach it.
이곳에서 닭을 기르고 있습니다. 매일 신선한 달걀을 제공해주는 고마운 존재죠.
Okay, 2 for Rory. Now, Rory, you hold the pool. No, you want to be careful. Okay.
젖짜기를 마친 브라이스를 서둘러 쫓아가는 오로라.
You coming in?
Here, Papa.
Strainer, thank you very much.
갓 짠 생유를 깨끗하게 걸러 병에 나눠 담는 작업입니다. 한 번 착유로 얻은 우유는 4리터 정도 되는데요.
Ooh, do I have more than 6? Oh my, yes I do.
가족들에게 가장 중요한 영양 공급원입니다. 오늘의 아침 식사는 방금 걷어온 달걀과 노릇하게 구운 호밀빵.
First one, biscuit, and you'll need a second biscuit for your second.
May we together bless this food. May we all receive its full benefit, nutritionally and spiritually. May we in turn feel blessed that we may share this energy in good company and good health. Amen.
숲속의 집에 살기 전 브라이스와 미스티는 도시에서 요리사로 일했는데요. 인류 식당에서도 만나보지 못했던 자연에 가장 가까운 진짜 음식을 이곳에서 경험하고 있습니다.
Bigger box.
That's a box from a computer speaker.
We've built this over the last, my goodness, has it been already 14 years? We've built this over the last 14 years, started as a little 10 by 10, and it's all predominantly based around an earthen-based system called Cobb. It's cost us a little over $850, which is something under $10 a square foot.
신비롭게 느껴질 만큼 울창한 습지대의 숲. 건축을 제대로 배워본 적조차 없는 전직 요리사 부부는 어쩌다 이곳에 직접 집을 짓게 되었을까요? 오늘은 아주 먼 곳에서 손님이 찾아왔습니다. 건축가 최봉국 소장입니다.
Hello. Bit of hay on the ground.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
Mr. Guga.
Choi?
Yeah, I'm my name Choi.
Very nice to meet you. I'm Bryce Murfarians. This is my wife,
Misty.
Misty.
Missy.
Nice to meet you.
Laura.
Aurora. Aurora.
Oh, watch
and
out.
this is
Say.
Sage. Sage. How old?
She's 6,
6.
and Sage is 8.
Aurora 6.
Aurora is 6 and Sage is 8.
8.
That's right.
Ah.
Front door.
그가 이전에는 한 번도 보지 못했을 특별한 집을 소개하겠습니다.
There's a good girl. I'll take it all the way open. Here we go.
So this is the living room,
Living room.
sunroom.
This we built after we built the house, and this was originally just a covered porch. And then our neighbor was taking down a sunroom,
sunroom.
and so we obtained the windows from helping him take down that room, and so we closed it in.
Glass.
Glass bottles. Yes.
거실벽 한쪽을 차지하고 있는 부조 작품이 인상적인데요. 깨진 병이나 타일, 주전자 같은 재활용품만을 사용해 손수 작업한 것으로 아주 오랜 시간이 걸렸습니다.
Who is it made?
I sculpted it.
You.
I sculpted it.
This part of the picture is sort of a fairy tale depiction of our story. So this whole work of art is called The Legend of House Murfarians, and Murfarians is our family name. And this tells the story of when she wants to escape the oppressive tides of the ocean. So she leaps out of the ocean and gets stuck in the tree, and the flying man comes along and asks her what is the matter, and that's the start of their love story.
He then shows her how to fly so that they can escape the tree. He teaches her how to fly, and she teaches him how to survive in the depths.
And the moral of the story is love gives me wings. So this is the kitchen.
Yeah.
이곳에도 다 쓴 유리병을 활용한 창문이 보입니다. 싱크대도 미스티의 할아버지가 쓰던 걸 그대로 가져왔고요. 이번에는 오로라가 2층으로 안내하는데요. 자매들의 침실이자 놀이방입니다. 세이지와 오로라를 위한 작지만 완벽한 세상이죠.
There's a lot of toys.
toys.
And we really love toys. And the most thing we like about this room is because we can basically do whatever we like in this room.
아이들을 향한 브라이스와 미스티의 사랑이 만들어낸 공간입니다. 스위치에 오로라가 가장 좋아하는 유니콘이 그려져 있는데요.
Mama made this. Mama made this. She made this big house for Christmas. She made this for Christmas.
거실의 맞은편 공간으로 넘어가 보겠습니다.
So this here is our west wing.
스팅이.
So it's extra kitchen
Yeah.
and dining room.
다이닝 룸.
2층으로 올라가면 부부 침실이 있습니다. 브라이스와 미스티의 개성과 취향, 그리고 함께한 지난 세월의 흔적이 곳곳에서 묻어납니다. 먼저 숲속의 삶을 꿈꾼 건 미스티였습니다.
I went from having migraines literally at all times in the city. We started visiting this area because of a family cottage here. And then when we moved to the cottage, I felt well most of the time, and I really wasn't willing to go back again.
미스티는 브라이스와 사랑에 빠졌고 브라이스 역시 숲속에서 새로운 인생을 만나게 되었습니다.
We really wanted to do something that would be sustainable, that we didn't want to spend resources of the future or cause any harm to Mother Earth. So we wanted to do something that would be affordable and natural.
Lovely. I like that. Is that another present?
Clay and sand and straw mixed together by foot. We had the wooden structure built, and then we put in cob. You make like a loaf of the cob material, and you lay it around the edges, let it dry for a day, and you poke holes in the cob for it to dry out, and then you come back the next day and put another row of Lego around, and up it went. We spent about 2 months.
부부는 그들에게 맞는 건축 방식을 찾아 집을 완성했고 바라던 삶을 꾸려나갈 수 있었습니다. 세이지와 오로라가 이곳에서 태어났고 이전에는 몰랐던 새로운 인생의 의미도 찾게 됐습니다.
창틀이라든지 도어라든지 가구라든지 이런 데 쓰인 모든 목재들이 일반 목재상에서 재단이 돼서 판매하는 규격 사이즈를 사온 것이 아니라 여기 현장에 있는 나무들을 다 자르고 켜서 비틀어지면 비틀어진 대로 뭔가 설계가 있다고 하면 무조건 그것에 맞춰서 재료를 사와서 이만큼 높여야 되고 만들어야 되는 그런 한계치가 있을 텐데 여긴 그렇지 않다. 그래서 훨씬 더 자유로워 보인다.
So we've avoided all chemical triggers as much as we can in everything that we've done in the house, trying to stay to natural materials, naturally sourced. One of the great benefits of this approach to housing is that ultimately, when we're finished with the house, or when dwellers are finished with it, you know, perhaps our great-great-grandchildren are finished with the house, if they were to just walk away from it, it would turn into a pile of earth again, and earth and wood will be a fertile source for future generations. Whereas if one were to walk away from most standard dwellings, when they collapse, it would be a toxic waste dump, and that would be,
And for hundreds of thousands of years afterward.
미적인 감각이 있는 것 같아요. 예를 들어 여기 외부에 보시면 흙이 가지고 있는 이 옐로우, 브라운 이 컬러 톤이 아주 무채색으로 잘 묻어져 있고 창틀이나 이런 것들에는 여기 숲이니까 이 초록색의 그린이 엣지를 다 표현하고 있거든요. 이 옐로우와 그린 이 중첩의 사이와 이 나무가 주는 아주 무채색의 따뜻한 채도가 낮은 이런 편안한 느낌의 채도가 전체 집을 다 이루고 있는 것도 굉장히 조화스럽다라고 볼 수 있을 것 같아요. 이 숲과 가장 잘 어울리는 컬러를 가지고 있지 않나라고 생각합니다.
I have a delivery for you.
처음 보는 사람에게도 전혀 낯가림이 없는 세이지와 오로라. 눈싸움할 새로운 상대가 생겨서 그런지 평소보다 더 신이 났습니다.
조금만 자.
그 사이 브라이스는 오랜만에 실력 발휘를 하는데요. 멀리서 찾아온 손님에게 대접할 저녁 식사를 준비하는 겁니다.
Can I please have that?
You can have some avocado. Just wait just a moment, okay? Please wait until Mr. Choi is here. Seiji?
The sun's just going down.
May we together bless this food. May we in turn feel blessed that we may share this energy.
Prefers her rice in pudding style, so she's a rice.
가족끼리 먹을 때보다 다양한 음식이 나오네요.
There we are. It does seem like very. Oh, come here, you.
브라이스와 미스티는 세이지와 오로라가 태어난 이후 이 집을 떠난 적이 없지만 여행을 좋아합니다. 한국에도 관심이 많은데요.
Korean cuisine, especially.
What's your favorite Korean dish?
김치.
김치 스튜.
Oh, okay.
That's
That's kimchi. Yes.
I don't know.
Korean style kimchi, but yeah,
But apparently it's close. So.
yeah, I give it a try. 친구분 캐네디안 친구분이 만든 거예요. 한국 분은 아니고.
더 시큼하긴 한데
네.
굉장히 흡사한 맛이에요.
네.
Oh, that's.
한국에 가본 적이 한 번도 없다는데 전직 요리사 부부답게 아는 게 좀 있네요.
I was
It's,
from him.
Yeah, that's it. I
That's
saw it.
a camper truck.
Yeah, Land Rover. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little.
I won't put it on again.
Put a lot on her.
I won't.
식사 후에는 늘 브라이스와 자매들의 신경전이 벌어집니다.
No, I want to do this.
No.
Thank you.
I do it.
Sorry, you put on too much. Okay.
I won't.
Put your face down. Please.
오로라가 고집을 꺾지 않을 것 같은데요.
Okay, hold out your toothbrush. Very, very small. Very small, okay? Very small. So determine whether you get to do this again next time. Okay, watching real close. Watching close. Brush your teeth real good, my monkeys. That's
하루를 마무리할 시간인데 여전히 기운이 넘칩니다.
Good idea.
Because I don't like pee going on pee.
Chapter 8, how they left the island. And so, said Trumpkin, for as you have realized, it was he who had been telling this story to the 4 children. And when shall I blow the horn? I would wait for sunrise, Your Majesty, said Dr. Cornelius. That sometimes has an effect in operations of white magic. 9 and 10 of the clock, said Trumpkin. Just when we were at the railway station, said all the children, whose pipe seemed to be
드디어
blocked, and
잠이 쏟아지나 봅니다.
very busy cleaning it. But, well,
미스티가 자매를 재우는 동안 브라이스는 다시 일을 하러 나갑니다. 밤에도 소를 돌보고 젖을 짜야 하거든요.
I could be dreaming if only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you, life could be dreams, sweetheart.
다음 날 아침 겨우내 벼르고 벼르던 부담스러운 작업이 기다리고 있습니다.
Okay, yep, that'll do.
okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Yeah, that's a bit, and whoa there.
커다란
whoa
건초
there.
더미를 가축우리 가까운 곳으로 옮겨야 하는데요.
All right, that's much better.
You ready?
Now, yep.
Okay.
Nice and smooth. Nice work, buddy. Yeah, nice and smooth. Keep a steady pace. Bad boy.
부부는 환경에 피해를 주는 농기계나 자동차 대신 말 포니에게 도움을 받습니다.
Okay, buddy. Easy there, easy, and whoa, whoa, whoa there, buddy, whoa there, whoa.
포니와 부부의 협동 작업이 성공적으로 마무리됐습니다.
We got this in about a month and a half ago, and then 2 days after it came in, the snow came down up to here. So we have been waiting all winter to get these up here to make it so much easier to feed our animals. Oh, it's easier to put away there for sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, Cody Sen. Good job. Way to adapt at the end as well.
Okay, Mr. Guga.
고생한 포니에게 줄 최고의 보상. 신선한 건초만한 게 없습니다.
It's Cody. Here we go. Here you go, buddy. All the good stuff. No more.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
포니는 오로라의 가장 좋은 친구이기도 하죠. 아빠 엄마가 일하는 곳 어디나 따라다니며 제 몫을 해내는 아이들. 따로 시간을 내 놀아주지 않아도 자연과 더불어 동물들과 부대끼며 배우고 성장합니다.
Hey, just finished up here. Good job.
이 집은 태양광으로 전력을 얻고 물도 직접 끌어다 씁니다. 우물이 하나 있는데요. 자갈과 점토가 많은 지역의 가장 상류에 위치해 있습니다.
I set this up this winter. This here.
태양광으로 충전한 배터리와 펌프, 여과기를 사용하면 아주 깨끗한 물을 얻을 수 있습니다.
This is our primary water source, our primary well right now. Misty dug this, as a matter of fact, in our first year here. Yeah, it goes down. It's only about 12 or 13 feet, but we know that we're right on a headwaters here.
필요한 만큼만 물을 길어갑니다. 물은 집안에 있는 여분의 물통에 옮겨두는데 이 정도면 2, 3일 정도는 사용할 수 있는 양이 됩니다. 식수가 아닌 생활용수는 빗물을 받아 쓰기도 합니다. 전용 수조를 따로 두고 집으로 물을 끌어올 수 있도록 장치를 만들어 두었습니다. 세수를 하거나 몸을 씻는 데는 이 물을 씁니다.
Much better.
I need a dry towel now.
Oh, yeah, okay, I'll reach for that. There you go, monkey. I'm gonna use your warm water.
이렇게 대비하다 보면 가족에게 물이 부족한 일은 없습니다.
Thank you.
이제 숲으로 나갈 준비를 합니다.
All right, so let's get the chainsaw. So we've gone electric in this past, I think it was a year and a half ago or so. I doubt we'll
커다란
use more than
수레까지
two, but
챙기는데요.
throw them anyway, 'cause, you know. Would you like to carry that?
Yeah.
Excellent. They get, yeah, they're the
최봉국
Bucky bears.
소장도 함께 나섭니다.
와, 엄청 빠져요.
Oh goodness! PK got stuck in the snow. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay, still going. Yep. That's right. It's the end of winter, but it's still winter. That's for sure. We're helping the farmer this year to clean off the hedgerow so that the field stays fertile and he doesn't lose as much edge to the woods. It's been probably 10, 15 years since this has been cleared, so. But it gives us an opportunity to collect some nice hardwood. Good way to extend the wood of the season through the winter. That is a beautiful elm tree. Okay. There's also a dead cherry right here as well, which I think we'll get that.
So first we're going to cut a notch on this side, like a triangle.
Yeah.
And then we're going to come from the back and cut towards that notch.
Yeah.
When it goes part way through and you can feel it start to go, you can push
Yeah.
the tree to fell it that way.
Okay.
Okay?
Loud timber!
Okay. And we say safety pizza.
Yeah.
혹시나 실수로 다치지는 않을지 불안하게 지켜보는데 뜻밖의 능숙하게 작업을 해냅니다.
Oh, I can walk it out.
I'm not going to shake until you come in. Yeah, yeah.
나무를 넘어뜨리는 데는 세 사람이 힘을 모아야 합니다. 남은 겨울 집을 따뜻하게 데워줄 나무. 장작으로 쓸 수 있도록 다시 작게 자릅니다.
Oh, he obviously knows how to use a chainsaw, yeah. Nice to have you around. Thanks for your help today.
드디어 직접 톱을 잡은 미스티. 쉬지 않고 가지치기를 해나갑니다.
Anything to carry away yet?
Yeah, there's logs here.
Okay.
사실 이 톱의 주인은 미스티이고 평소에도 나무를 베는 작업은 미스티가 도맡아 하고 있습니다.
You want to get me this piece?
Yeah, I do.
Thanks again. Pardon me. That blade's holding up sharply.
Why did you let your wife do hard work?
Well,
Well, he doesn't let me. I just do it.
I can't stop her. So I love to empower Misty. She's a very, very powerful individual, strong woman. And I bought her a chainsaw last year, wasn't it? It's
Yeah.
only a year ago.
He has a gasoline chainsaw, but
Yeah.
because of my chemical sensitivities, I can't use the gasoline chainsaw.
If I use the gasoline chainsaw in a day, I can't come in. I can't give her a hug for the rest of the day because I make her sick.
화학 물질에 민감한 미스티를 편안하게 해주는 것은 숲입니다.
I love the arbor vitae. That's the evergreen tree that grows here. It's eastern white cedar. The name of it, arbor vitae, means tree of life. For the native people who lived in this land, this was the most important tree. And I've grown to understand why that is, because it's a really miraculous wood, and that's what we've built our house with. So I feel a deep connection with the forest now, as it's like we're living in a tree house that is made from the forest.
This is an elm tree. This is a nut kind of tree.
Yeah.
This one is an apple.
Here,
These ones are
cherry.
black cherry. You see by the gray rough bark.
Because it'll complement our elm that we've already collected quite nicely.
So these ones, the wood is full of oil, so it burns really hot.
Hot and slow. Yeah.
These ones are really, really hard wood, so they burn slow. But these are
There's
all
a few
dead
live still.
naturally, and
Yeah.
we're only cutting the dead ones to
Right.
open up for the living trees. Because
Yeah, there
these
will
here
be.
are all productive apple trees.
Yeah.
That's an apple tree, that's an apple tree, those are apple trees. So we're trimming out the orchard by taking out the dead wood. Yes! What's up?
멀리서 아이들이 다급하게 엄마를 부릅니다. 급한 일이 생긴 것 같은데요. 서둘러 돌아가는 미스티. 오로라는 집 앞까지 쫓아나와 있습니다. 무슨 사고라도 생긴 걸까요?
That was a good run. You watched the video?
Thank you. May I please have a reading rainbow?
Sure.
Last time, could we have
심각한 일은 아닌 것 같네요.
I told them they could have another video, but when their video ended, they accidentally touched something and it reset everything, and they don't know how to look videos up, so they couldn't just press the next button. So it was an emergency that they needed another video. Well, the only way we can have them just leave them at the house is if they call us, we need to come in case there was some problem or somebody was at the door or the phone was ringing or something like that. They would call us back.
for a reading rainbow?
자매의 비상 상황은 간단하게 종료됐습니다.
Or
You girls good?
yeah.
Did you find a reading rainbow that you like?
Yeah.
Back to work.
눈보라가 몰아치기 시작했지만 다행히 그 전에 오늘의 작업이 모두 끝났습니다. 매일매일 성실하게 일하는 브라이스와 미스티. 이렇게 살면 자급자족하는 삶 정말 가능한 걸까요?
The primary source of income is the Ontario Child Benefit. That's the steady income, and then we do jobs on a as available
Less steady
basis.
Yeah. So that is almost $15,000 a year, and we consider that our base income, and everything that we do on the property is covered in that.
Yeah, if we don't
On
have
property,
any
yeah.
exceptional expenses like the dentistry or the lawsuit or
Yes.
anything like that, that covers groceries and feed for the animals, and that's enough. Bryce and I did not go to the dentist for about 10 years because we just did not have the money for it. Now we're all catching up on the dentistry we need to do. Hopefully it will not be an all the time thing, but it meant that I had about $4,000 worth of dentistry to do, and he had about $4,000 worth of dentistry to do, and those two combined within the same year is about 50% of the money we make in a year. So it makes it very tight on the budget when we have 50% less budget to work with, but that's really the majority of our financial concerns.
하지만 부부는 아이들에게 돈에 대한 걱정을 늘어놓거나 절약을 강요하지는 않습니다. 다른 선택지를 알려주죠.
We like to do it secondhand and then to give toys away back to the thrift store when we're done with them so it can be more like a library of things rather than constant production in the world.
I do like the fact that our girls are very aware of our lifestyle and very aware of how we philosophically do things. And we're making sure that our kids know that it's not just, you know, throw money at things and that you only choose things that are in alignment with your personal values. Exactly the word. Perfect, yeah.
주고받는 순환의 경제. 부부와 친구들 사이에서도 적용됩니다.
For maple syrup, right? Yeah. That's, you wanted to buy some eggs, didn't you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well, very cool. Let's go inside. Miga? It's not Miga. That's Igot, sweetie. You know that.
저는 달걀을 사기 위해 이 집에 들른 건데요.
And here.
How many dozen would you like?
As many as you'll
That's
give
4 dozen,
Okay,
so
that's
yeah, it'd be
4
$20.
dozen. It's $5 a dozen.
벌써 3년이 넘은 단골 손님입니다.
When you look at the difference between the egg from here and you buy it from the store, it's much more orange here. The eggs may be softer, but it's because they constantly feed the chickens a lot of extra minerals, so it's still not a natural egg. This is a natural egg.
Thank you very much. Good deal.
It'd be nice. It'd be nice when we're getting to the point where we're trading silver.
It's nearly an hour.
수입을 알뜰하게 관리하는 건 미스티의 몫입니다.
So it's not even commercials. Right? That's right.
I'm fine. If you know it off by heart, I'm
저는 브라이스의 기타 선생님이기도 한데요.
For the cool done run out, I'll be living in my best dress and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some, learn some, but I
like that. It's a David Bowie song. This is well before your time, but
equated left hand, made it too far. Became the special man.
숲속에서 겨울을 나려면 오가는 길에 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 얼음을 깨는 것도 필수 작업입니다.
An axe? Okay. Oh, no running with it. Careful. Are you gonna turn around?
오로라도 엄마를 돕고 싶은 것 같은데요.
And you be careful. Careful, careful. That's good for splitting wood. Let me show you. No, okay. You threw the ice with less effort. You want to try that? Okay. Just be careful. You want to stop when you get to the concrete because we don't want to break the bricks.
위험하다고 말리기보단 제대로 가르쳐줍니다.
Now just a single swing, okay? Don't swing it over your head. Easier to control that way.
오늘은 아이들을 위한 홈스쿨링 모임이 있는 날입니다.
All of the homeschooling gatherings are open to everyone who's part of the group, but not every week. Every family can come. And because these are all homeschoolers from the region, and there's not that many homeschooling families, they're coming from quite far. It's a core group of people who have shared values.
아이들은 이 시간을 통해 단순히 지식을 익히는 것이 아니라 함께 어울리는 법을 배웁니다. 오랜만에 만난 부모들은 서로의 소식도 묻고 의견도 나누며 공동의 가치관을 확인합니다.
But if you set it to a toroidal,
That is what is happening, and so that evidence will only.
We did it! Say it loud! Green light! Red light! Whoa, Cooper! Cooper, you're out! Red light!
아이들이 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다를 알고 있네요.
Green light! Yay! Oh! I found you! I found you! It's because there's a red wall there. Open to us, because if I see you guys again, that means I found you. I knew it.
이번에는 숨바꼭질입니다.
From her head to her toes, she'll say, I'm not sure that it's business of yours, but I do.
도시와는 전혀 다른, 때로는 비현실적으로 보이는 숲속의 삶. 이들은 어떤 미래를 꿈꾸고 있을까요?
What is your retirement plan? Have you guys thought about like
Running water,
Running water.
my retirement plan.
No, it is interesting where we've had the opportunity to put aside. We haven't put aside money. We've purchased fruit trees and we've purchased nut trees. So in one way, we are planning for our retirement. We're planning it to be abundant and fertile and filled with fruit and you know nuts and these sorts of things. If we're lucky, that will all pan out well, and you know maybe if everything goes well, then our retirement will just be sitting in a lush forest and you know eating like the chimpanzee does.
Well, I hope to be teaching my great-grandkids how to do things still.
이 집은 저들의 세상이 이 안에 작게 뭔가 이렇게 꿈나라처럼 있는 것 같아요. 좋은 자재들, 좋은 평수들, 좋은 브랜드의 아파트들, 이런 것들이 내 행복을 절대 채워줄 수 없다. 이 안에서 살아가는 그들의 만족도, 교감하는 것들, 엄마와 아빠와 아이들이 끊임없이 대화하고 부부가 무슨 일을 해도 함께하고 또 그 안에서 계속 대화를 나누고 이분들도 분명히 그 힘든 순간이 있을 거예요. 근데 회복하는 시간이 굉장히 빠른 것 같아요. 큰 나무, 큰 그릇을 가진 사람이니까 우리보다는 훨씬 더 빠른 회복 속도가 보이더라. 집이 결국에 이 숲 안에 들어와 있지만 이 숲과 같이 자라나고 뭔가 피어나는 그런 그림인 것 같아요.
동화 속 해피엔딩처럼 정해진 결말은 없습니다. 하지만 그들은 숲을 닮은 생명력으로 끝나지 않는 이야기를 매일매일 함께 만들어가고 있습니다.